Well, hey there, it's Nanette. So if you weren't sure how to edit your little highlights on your Instagram feed, I want to quickly show you how to do that. So once you've shared your stories to a highlight, you'll see them appear on the top corner of your profile feed. So just below edit profile and share profile. So when you click on them, I'm going to click on the income streams one. So this is the button that is currently showing up. So I want to edit that. So we go in there and we go to edit highlight, edit cover. And then once you click on that, you click on images. And this is the one I want to use for that, which I've already made in Canva. So you just click that, edit cover, done. And you'll see it changed to my new cover. So then when you want to go to the daily life one, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click more. Edit highlight, edit cover, go to your image, and then I want to do this one for that one there. Click done, and you'll see that changed as well. So then if you want to add a new one, you can click on new. Let's say I want to share this one as a story. You can go to edit cover, and for this one I want to use mindset. So you click done, and you can rename it as well. So I want to call that one mindset. So that's how easy it is. If you want to actually go and create these little highlights, the best way is to do it in Canva. So click on just a square Instagram post, add a circle photo template, and then just create your covers in there.